How to create system restore point in Windows 10 and Windows 11. And to create system restore point, go to Windows search, type CP or control panel and open control panel in Windows 10 and Windows 11. In control panel, view by category set first, and in search box type system restore point. Look for system restore point and open create a restore point from search result. Here go to the system protection tab from the top menu bar, and from the bottom create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. Here first create a restore point, assign a name, type a description. We will type Windows Update. Now choose create option. You may assign another name also. Wait for some times and a message will appear. The restore point was created successfully. Close the option. Now launch run command box by typing Windows plus R, Win plus R shortcut key to open run command box, and here type RSTRUI. Press OK and restore system files and settings. Choose a different restore point. Click next, and here it will show newly created restore point. Windows Update, select and next. Your system will back to the